Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make 1,500 in 3 days right after Labor Day weekend. Yes, that is correct. And if you already know, I did just recently come back from Chicago. It was a girls' trip. So if you haven't already, go ahead and go watch that vlog. But other than that, if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it in street, we keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been cheap.
Y'all know I like to put on my glasses because I just be feeling so sophisticated. And then also with the vibe of this video, guys, I'm wanting to do like more like a laid back type of vibe when it comes to doing like analysis, like discussions and things like that. So comment down below if that's something that you're interested into, like something that's like more like a cozy, just like, like not always formal. Like I want it to be more of like an informal feel, like something like a conversation with your friends, things in that nature. So comment down below if you feel like, okay, I think these glasses are starting to be a little distracting. But comment down below if you would be interested in these little couch talks. Currently right now I am on my couch and I am in PJs right now, so I thought it was just be something cute to do. Maybe next time we can do like a coffee time. I don't know, but comment down below in the comment section of some ideas of what you guys want me to do when I do these analysis. But other than that, let's get into this video. Okay, so this was on Tuesday, and so I went into the market, and I know that basically there has been a lot of things going on in the market lately. A lot of people, well-known leaders in the world, are selling, Bank of America, things of that nature. So I was looking for opportunities of a sell rather than a buy, even though the trend itself was looking for an overall buy opportunity. But I had to go with what the news was doing because going for a buy obviously wasn't going to work out for this week. And this is NAS that I'm trading, and I am using Coinexx on MT4, and I absolutely love using this platform. Like super easy, super beginner friendly. Again, we are back on MT4, so this is all, this is all more familiar with me. So I just feel more comfortable. I feel just confident, really, guys. So right now, as you guys can see, I am just marking up my chart. Like I am going onto my hour time frame and I'm just marking it up. As you notice that I am following my two candles that are alike at the bottom, have the same wicks. And then of course, if it's a harami candle, which is basically a smaller candle next to a larger candle, and if they are ideally the same as far as where the candlestick cuts off, that's also a resistant or a support line as well. And so I look at my day chart just to kind of get an idea of the trend. And as you guys notice, it is ultimately a uptrend. However, as I already mentioned to you guys, there has been a lot of news going on. And then with with basically everything that's going on in politics and stuff like that, it's just the markets is not following the trend. So as you can see, as a prime example, I'm actually going in for a buy. And so that's why I said, the buy opportunities, like it just wasn't following the trends this week. It was not, because of all of the things that's going on in the world. So as you can see, I am doing my pending order for a buy stop, as you can see. And so as you notice here, I'm going in for my price. So with my trades, I do not create any stop losses. If you are in my VIP signal group, I do not create stop losses. My account is very big enough to where I am comfortable because I'm not using a very big lot size, right? And so that's typically how I do it. So then from there, guys, I noticed still on Tuesday that the market shot down. Look at it. It's at 19,166. And I had did a buy stop at 19,4 something, right? So I'm like, I gotta make some money. I gotta help my team make some money. So I said, scratch the buy stop. We have to go into a sell stop. So I looked for an opportunity for a sell stop at the price of 19,140, and then my take profit was going to be 19,132. I sent this exact same trade idea to my team, and everyone was able to make some profits. As you can see here, I did it again at 140, and then I did a different take profit at 124. Okay. As you notice with my lot size, I changed it up. So as you can see here, I just did it again. And then I did 109 as another TP. So my first sale did become activated, which you can see here. And then right here, I had changed my lot size because I realized that lot size that I had at 1.00 wasn't going to make me the money that I was looking for. As you can see, I was already at making $7. So from there, I'm like, okay, let me actually increase it up some more. So as you can see, I am playing with the lot size, but I'm not wanting to over leverage my account. And so that is what I'm doing. So I'm using the same method. So I am doing a different take profit, as you can see. And so I'm using a much shorter take profit than a longer take profit because I wanted to make sure that my TPs were going to hit, right? And so that's what I'm doing. So as you can see here, it's only negative about $85. It's really not much to bring me at like, oh my gosh, like I need to get out. No, I was very confident in this trade. And so I was okay with the way that the market was going. Of course, there's going to be some moments where it is some pullbacks. However, some of these trading ideas, I did just go into it because it already hit the price line that I already had set for my pending orders. So as you can see, I just really went in for a sell and I was just messing with the actual lot size to make some more money, right? And then this is still here on Tuesday. I go back and here you have it. I made almost $400 in one day. So luckily I was able to kind of go back into the market because normally I do not. I'm busy, I'm a pharmacist, I'm a mother and things of that nature. So usually I don't go back. And so I'm so happy that I did, because if I did not, I probably would have just made like $40 instead of $400. So it was good for me to go back and kind of mess with the lot sizes and see what lot size would be perfect for me in my account, right? Now, don't go using the same lot size that I used in this example, because again, guys, that's something that just really differs with each account, okay? Now, if you have a demo account, you can use whichever lot size that you're wanting to use for practicing only. But if it's your real account and you don't have like a good significant amount of money in your account, I do not recommend using the lot size that I just used, okay? And so this is the next day on Wednesday. And so just to kind of keep you guys in mind, I only trade Monday through Thursday. Okay. So that's why I said 3 days I made 1,500. So this is Wednesday. Again, I am looking at the market. I'm still looking for a sell opportunity, as you can see. And so I'm just kind of getting an idea of where did the market pass by, because the key to my strategy is that if the candlesticks have already touched my support and resistance or pass through those lines, I typically go for an opportunity around that area. I never try a new area unless the market has already touched that area, okay? And so if you need a little bit more in depth of what I mean by that, I can definitely create another video. But as for this video, I'm just kind of going over how I was able to make 1,500 in 3 days. And so this is pretty much how I did it, guys. Again, with my trading style, I do pending orders. And so I did go in for another sale, and here it is. I did use the 10.00 lot size. And then here is the same day. This is Wednesday again. And as you can see, I made $545 from those two pending orders that I did place. I was able to send that out to my VIP signal group, and everyone was also able to copy and paste it into their trading portfolio, and they were able to make some money as well. So whatever I'm doing here, guys, is a prime example of what I do for my team within the signal group as well. And then here, this is yesterday. So right now I'm recording this video, it's Friday. So this is yesterday, this was Thursday. So Thursday is my cutoff. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to make some profits. So right now I'm just creating some more supports and resistant lines because the market did bypass the lines that I already set. So that was good opportunity of knowing that the market has more potential of going down for a sale rather. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of getting a bigger picture of what the market may want to move down to, looking at the price area. And then so right now I am just basically kind of marking up some last minute resistance support lines right now just to have my confirmations as well as a final validation of what I want to do as far as getting into the market. All right, guys, so I went big this time. I did 15.00 as my lot size, y'all. Y'all, I can't believe we're at this stage in my trading career that I'm using these type of lot sizes, y'all. There you go, y'all. I made $486 using the 15.00 lot size, and I was extremely satisfied for what I made, especially after a Labor Day weekend. I thought the market was not going to be fair, but I took the opportunities. As you guys can see, I did not go back into the market and double trade as far as like revenge trading or things of that nature. I just took what the market gave to me and traded the next day. It is what it is, you know. So I was very confident in my last trade. And there you have it, guys. I was able to make the 1,500. It's just crazy if you are familiar with my trading journey. It's just crazy to know that I did start from a mini lot size where I was using 0.01 as my lot size, my main lot size. And then eventually I did get up to 0.1 and then 0.5. But to be at 15.00 and to actually make really good money, because $400 is still good money. You know what I'm saying? Like, now if I would have did the same if I would have did like a double trade of the same exact trading idea that I placed for the first one, I would have made 800. But in my plan that I have set for my compounding of my investments altogether, my plan is to compound over time until I turn very old, right? Because I look at trading as my 401k. Like, this is something that's long term. I don't look at it as something that, hey, I need the money right away. So I'm at the pace that I need to be at. Yes, there is going to be some days where I make 1,000 one day and then maybe 600 the next day. It fluctuates, but as long as I can hit my goal per month of how much I'm wanting to make per month, that's all that matters. So I've started off the week of September very strong, very good. I'm super excited. I'm also excited for my VIP Signal members because they were able to make some money and gain some profits as well. So I am happy for all of us. But if you haven't already, go ahead and go join our VIP Signal group because we are growing and we've been doing this since April 1st, guys, nonstop, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. through 12 p.m. Central Time. And we have been hitting profits. Like literally, I would say we probably had maybe one bad week, y'all. Like that's pretty good. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud. Like 1 week out of all the weeks that we've been trading, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And it's only $50 per month. Who you know, VIP Signal Group is only charging $50. And you're making it back 12 times in a month? Who you know? Who you know, guys? Who do you know? It's not too many. So it's very affordable. It's very cheap. And on top of that, you're most likely going to be making money Monday through Thursday, as long as you're active on Telegram, as long as you're capable of being consistent and being able to not over leverage your account. The sky's the limit, guys. The sky's the limit. So take action now and go ahead and invest into yourself because, guys, if you do not, you're going to look at yourself 30 years from now and be like, why I didn't do it. So start investing into yourself. It may not be into my VIP Signal group. It may not be into anything, but invest into your knowledge of finances, into your knowledge of trading, into your knowledge of just being a better human being. That's all I can give as far as advice, guys. But other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. This was such a great week. We're going to start off next week very good as well. Woo, woo. But if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's what? It is free, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.